This year's ordinary iPhone 16 models are believed to use the A17 Pro CPU, but there is also talk regarding the A18 chip, with the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max possibly holding a more sophisticated A18 Pro chipset. While it is doubtful that the iPhone 16 would share a CPU with the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, it would be a nice surprise if it did. In contrast, Google has regularly outfitted all of its new Pixel handsets with the same chip, with the Tensor G4 powering all Pixel 9 models. While Apple's iPhones are jam-packed with features, their charging speeds have long trailed behind. In comparison to other high-end smartphones, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, for instance, have much slower 20-watt wireless charging. The Pixel 9 Pro XL's charging speed has been increased by Google from 30 watts to 37 watts. It is past time for Apple to contemplate a comparable upgrade. Improve the refresh rate of the iPhone 16. Apple is the only significant company in the premium smartphone market that maintains a 60 Hz refresh rate for ordinary iPhones. In comparison, Google has been fairly generous with its Pixel range. For instance, the modest Pixel 9 features a dynamic refresh rate of 60 Hz to 120 Hz, making its 6.3-inch display ideal for gaming and video viewing. While Apple is doubtful that the iPhone 16 would ditch the set 60 Hz refresh rate, a change in this way may entice more people to upgrade. Introduce Apple Intelligence capabilities throughout the whole product line at WWDC 2024. Apple has made it obvious which products will be compatible with Apple Intelligence features. While the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max have been verified, the status of other models is unknown. The iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max are expected to support these features as well, but the basic iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are still unsure. In contrast, Google has aggressively shown its newer capabilities, with the complete Pixel 9 series now having access to features such as Add Me, Pixel Studio, and Pixel Snapshots. The Pixel 9's sole exclusions are a few video-related functions and a free year-long membership to Gemmy Advanced, which are only available on the Pro models. Apple may pursue a similar method for its iPhone 16 series, perhaps providing all new iPhones access to Apple Intelligence. Nevertheless, it is critical to keep a few distinctive features for the Pro models. There should be compelling reasons to pick the earlier iPhone 16 Pro versions. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.